night here, and she had a nice cap today, and it's kind of white. It's very soft. There is a curve here. It's very unique. She's looked like a doctor today, and you people can you recognize it? It's not a cap actually. It's a diaper. So we had fun. We had some good time tonight in a restaurant that was shaped like rickshaws. So we are in a rickshaw type table. We have made some meals based on chicken, and we got fried rice, fried chicken, and chicken curries. So it was awesome in a rickshaw type table. We went there with my family and friends. It's not actually friends, some of my relatives there. So we are four on the table. It was an awesome experience. It's a kind of unique. Their idea is so good that based on the rickshaws, and we're in the city, and we are very much dependable on rickshaws. Rickshaws are the part and parcel of our daily life. It's very cheap. It's wide open, it's green, there is no pollution. The only demerits of the rickshaws, I think that it's kind of inhumanic. So, but people are very used to on the rickshaw. Rickshaw is the mainstream of our culture, and in 1941 there was only 37 rickshaws in the city, but now millions of rickshaws are every day are running on the city. video. Thanks for watching.